Assalamualaikum. Today we will start the new topic distinguishing species of the chapter Species. We studied they all are different species: cat, elephant, horse and dog. But we face some difficulty when we have to decide one type of animal that belongs to one species. Let's talk about the same example of cats and dogs. Did you observe this dog? It looks like a cat. Maybe you can easily identify that this is a dog, but it was difficult for me to guess whether it is a dog or cat. Similarly, it is also difficult to identify, is this dog or cat? Because there are a lot of dogs who look like this cat. So sometimes it becomes difficult to identify the animal that belongs to the same species because of its different appearance. Look at these pictures. The dog looks like the baby of the horse. But in reality, both are different type of animals and both belong to different species. Similarly, you often observe most of our features are very similar to monkeys. That's why it's written here in your book. How can we decide which animals belong to the same species? Sometimes members of the same species can look very different. On the other hand, members of different species can look the same. That was so challenging for us to decide which type of animals belong to which species. So the scientists decided to make some standards or some definitions to define species for all living things. That's why it's written here in your book. Scientists use this definition to clarify whether living things are the same species. Members of a species can breed with each other and produce offspring that are able to breed. Do you understand what your book wants to say? No. Okay. I will explain to you in easy words. Those who use the same type of living things for reproducing, like the family of the dog, in which there is a dog, bitch, and puppies. Similarly, the family of a rooster, in which there is a rooster, hen, and chicks. Same like us, in which there is a man, woman, and children. I think now you can better understand this definition. Members of a species can breed with each other and produce offspring that are able to breed.